H. Okay, that's put here on H is equal. Now you can expand this. Attention now, using this one. You see, that's why I have the blue one here. You see? Now, I'll raise here. You see? I'll put here. It's clear. Is equal F. See? Now it's clear. Now, remark. So, this is a very, very, very important property which we will use ahead. Okay? So, remark, assuming global property. What's global property? This property here can apply to any point of the manifold. Okay? It's different from the local property, which we are going to see on the next video. Okay? Next video will be all these properties applied to a certain point P, for instance. Okay? That's it. This I call attention, that the function belongs to the C infinity, xy, and f of x, and the g of y. Okay? This that puts on the f of x here. That's the raise over here. This it's better because this I'll talk in the next lecture. So this belongs to the chi of m, which is a function. This is a vector. Vector field. Any point of the manifold, which is global. See, global is any point. Next lecture will be a point. See, all this property, which is the local property. Global property, local property.